You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce those two words that get a lot of people confused, but they have very different meanings and the pronunciations are different as well. So let's go through the whole process and particularly focusing on the pronunciation. So the top word is pronounced as carrier. So that's a person that carries things, they bring it to your door. Carrier, all right? Ke, it's an e sound, okay? Not car, carrier, no, carrier, carrier. In American English it'd be similar, carrier, all right? Carrier. Now, the bottom word is what you do for a living, your job, all right? It's a career, all right? So you have a k sound with a schwa, so it's not an a, it's not an e, it's an sound. Career, and you have a stress on the second syllable, career. So, top word, carrier, bottom word, career. Very different pronunciations and different meaning, and now you know it all, I think. At least you've heard it all. Did you get this? Was this any useful? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.